Yeah, okay, okay. So you're to do with life. So you're to do with life insurance.
Yes.
That's my life insurance, is it?
No, you don't have a life policy if you're not
No,
paying
no,
for
that's
it, sir.
no, I don't.
Maybe you,
Um,
maybe you previously had one and you stopped paying for it.
oh, I don't know.
Don't have one.
So what happens? I pay you money, say for 10 years, and then and then if I die, the money goes to somebody else. Is that right?
It can be used for funeral costs or last to one of your family members.
Oh, I see. So I've worked all these years, paid the insurance. Okay. So let's say I wanted to leave around about say £200,000 for my family. How much would that cost?
It all depends on, sir, how old you are, if you smoke, and if you have medical conditions.
Oh, I've got no medical conditions. I'm as fit as a flea. I've never smoked and I've never drank.
And how old are you, sir?
The last birthday was not too long ago. 65.
65, still very young, sir. You sound young, and
Of course I do. Of course I do. Yeah,
so it shouldn't cost you a fortune. Sir, do you have children?
no children.
No, no kids. Any mortgage in place currently?
No,
No. Are you still working or have you retired now?
no. I'm retired. I do nothing.
You're retired, okay.
I go on holidays. I go to private islands to have a good time. Go on cruises.
You like travelling, Mr. Target?
Do I like travelling? Well, I couldn't get there if I didn't, because they're a long way away. These private islands,
Yeah?
just off the Virgin Islands.
Okay. So, Mr. Target, as I said to you, what we do here at the Insurance Review team is we just do market comparisons. Now, we don't necessarily sign you up to life insurance, but we are able to give you a look at what's available to you on the insurance market.
But what I'm saying is, if I wanted to leave £200,000 in 10 years,
Yeah.
say when I die, how much would that cost me a week or a month?
Actually, the premiums are paid monthly.
Yes.
But that's what we're going to do. We can show you how much it'll cost you for 200,000.
Go on then.
The cheapest option, the middle option, the most expensive.
Well, I'm not interested in the cheapest. I've got loads of money. So go on.
Okay. So, Mr. Knight, Mr. Target, what I'm going to do now is just to get that full market comparison done. I'm going to get one of our regulated FCA advisors on the line who will be able to show you the different options. Okay.
Brilliant.
1 second.
Yeah, I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste your time.
Pardon?
I don't want to waste your time. So, yes, let's get on with it.
Okay, 1 second. Let me get my advisor on the line.
Does he know what he's talking about? Does he know what he's talking about?
Yes,
He does.
you're still here with us.
Oh, good.
Are you still on the line with me? I do apologize for the background sound. We are currently experiencing some high call volumes as there are many customers completing reviews. Now, as long as you're hearing the music, I'm also on the line with you. Wait for that advisor, okay?
So you call that rubbish in the background music, do you? Oh, how quaint.
What type of music do you like, Mr. Target?
Thrash death metal.
So you don't like jazz.
Jazz? Who does like jazz?
I hear,
Except for gays.
I hear, I hear this music a couple of times a day, and it's quite boring. I think we should advise them to change it up a bit.
Good idea. Have some Napalm Death. They're a good group.
Now, sir, now that you're in retirement, what do you do in your free time?
I go
See you through to Wyatt. How can I help?
I go to death metal concerts.
We have Mr. Target on the line. Mr. Target, we have our advisor with us.
customer with me.
Okay, thank you.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, is that Mr. Target, is it?
Yes?
Oh,
Right.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'll tell you what I explained to her. I wanted to say, I wanted to leave £200,000 and I died in 10 years' time. How much would that cost me roughly a month?
It depends, Mr. Target. Obviously, I can give you a quotation on that in a moment. I just need to introduce myself, to be fair.
Oh, well, if you want to.
Yeah, well, obviously, I've got...
What, is this a date? Are you asking me out on a date?
Oh, you wish, mate.
Oh, you're that good looking, are you?
Yeah, I am actually, yeah.
Christ. Yeah, lovely. I do like a good blonde-haired 6-foot gay guy. Anyway,
Yeah.
where were we?
Right, so my name's Wyatt. I work for...
What, Wyatt?
OT. Yeah, Wyatt, yeah.
Your second name isn't Earp, is it?
It's not, mate. I've heard that one many a time.
Oh, yeah, not from me though.
Yeah, not from yourself, mate.
No.
Same every time, though, isn't it, really? I mean, like I said, I'm just going to introduce myself. Okay, so just hear me out. So, my name's Wyatt. I work for Quote Easy. We are an appointed representative of the SGA Consultancy Group. We are authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. And I won't personally provide you with any advice today. I'll give you options to consider. And all calls are recorded, of course, for training and monitoring purposes. So, just for data protection, can you confirm your full name and date of birth, firstly?
Sorry, yeah. Ian Target,
Yeah.
10-5-54.
Thank you. Right, so Ian, at the moment, mate, you've got no policy in place. Is it something you had in the past?
And life insurance? No, but I couldn't get life insurance. I used to do rally driving, and they're very reluctant to give you life insurance because they think you're going to be dead. I thought I was a better driver than that, but
Yeah, do you still do it?
no, only on the roads.
Yeah, that's fine. So you're retired, yeah? Take it you are retired, yeah?
I am.
You're married, are you, mate?
No.
No? Partner? What's
Oh.
your marital status?
No, I don't have a partner. Not in this country,
Yeah.
anyway.
That's fine. Okay. So you're currently single. And have you got kids in the UK?
Not in the UK, no.
No. Where's your family from?
My friend's from the Bahamas.
Bahamas. Have you got family in Bahamas, have you?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Like I said to the girl, I said I do a lot of island hopping now, and cruises. But I mean, we have a small island down near Branson's place.
Is it?
Yeah, not as big as his because he's a flash git. No, we just have a small island. But
Is it your own island?
yeah. Well, yeah, I made a fair bit of money out of racing cars, but can't race them on the island. It's too small, and there's no roads, of course. But it's somewhere to go nice and quiet where people can't get to you. You know.
Did you do that for, Ian?
How long? Well, I was 17 when I got my licence. I was about 21, I suppose, when I joined the BRM team.
Yeah, so is that British racing? Something, is it?
Motoring, yeah.
Well, is it? I thought something. So yeah, so what sort of races did you take part in?
Well, I used to do the 24-hour Le Mans with Di Tommaso. I was one of their drivers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
And of course you got all the rally. I'm trying to think now. All the
Is there any pictures on Google and that? Are you on Google?
the image of me is yes, with me and my team members.
All right. What do you type in?
Type in. What?
Yeah, what do you type in to see that?
Well, you type in my name, of course, and then the BRM rally team, and it comes up with all the pictures of the rally team in the past. Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah, so what cars was it that you raced in? Was it all the old type cars, was it?
The Ford 200, the Mini 4x4. That was quite a nice car. Yeah, Scirocco's.
Yeah.
Yeah. Before your time, but the Ford Mexico, 4x4,
Yeah.
and the Ford Savage, which was based on the Mark II Cortina.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done a bit, haven't you, mate?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, like I say, as long as you followed your dream, mate, that's the main thing, isn't it?
Oh yes, sir.
So,
I've got quite a good imagination.
you've got kids out in the Bahamas, have you?
That's it. One of
How
each.
many have you got in the UK?
None in this country.
Not in this country.
Nah.
No, that's fine. So no relatives in the UK?
No. Not live ones, anyway.
Was your mum and dad, were they the closest that you had, was it, in the UK?
Well, yes.
Yeah, okay. Sorry to hear that, sir. Obviously, they've since passed.
Well, I am 65. Fucking hell, how old do you think they can get?
How old do I think you can get?
Well, yeah, I'm assuming that I'll live another 10 years, that's what I'm saying. So if I had an insurance policy for 10 years, and at the end of it, there was a £200,000 to be passed on to, next of kin, how much would it cost me?
Well, I'm going to look at that, sir. Like, 'cause I've got a few more questions to ask you. Do you smoke?
No, only when I'm on fire.
Have you smoked a cigarette in the last year?
Well, what else do you smoke?
Well, I need you to answer honestly, mate. Have you smoked a cigarette in the last year?
Not sick? No, I don't smoke anything.
That's fine. Okay. And do you have any health problems at all, Ian?
Oh, me? No, none at all. Oh,
None at all. Do you take medication for anything?
yeah. I have medication for a heart attack. I take medication for diabetes. I have a defibrillator fitted. That sort of thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So,
Apart from that, I'm healthy.
yeah, regarding that then, sir, I can't offer you 200,000.
You don't think I'll make it?
I just can't offer you 200,000, mate. The insurers wouldn't accept you. You're too much of a risk.
Oh.
You know, if you
Yeah.
hadn't had a heart attack or anything, sir, I would have been able to get you something. I mean, I can get you a policy, no problem, but you wouldn't be offered 200 grand.
Oh.
Maybe about 20, 30,000 at a push.
Blimey, that wouldn't even get my body over to the Bahamas to be cremated.
That's the problem that you've got then, isn't it, Ian? Unfortunately, mate. Something's better than nothing.
No. Oh, 20 grand. Blimey. I spend that. I spend that in petrol each year, I think. So some silly amount anyway.
Drive to the Bahamas.
No. It's the cars in this country. There's
What cars have you got?
there's the two Aston Martin, a Volante, and a Visage.
You've got an Aston Martin. How much are you worth, mate?
Well, that's a little bit personal, but a fair amount. It's in 9 figures.
Yeah.
Yes.
Realistically, mate, you don't really need life insurance.
No. I did try and explain that to her at the beginning, and she said she wanted me to speak to you. So I just let her carry on. She sounded quite sweet anyway. Sounded like she was from New Zealand or Australia.
To be honest with you, I wouldn't be able to tell you. I don't even know myself where they're from.
Well,
To the phone myself.
it was the accent really that gave it away.
Yeah. So what is it, an Aston Martin Vantage, is it, that you've got?
Volante and the Vantage, yeah.
A Vantage. So what's it got, the Volante? Oh yeah, there they are, the Volantes.
V12.
Yeah, lovely, mate. They're quick, them, aren't they?
It all depends if you're crazy and you want to depress your right foot. I mean, it's knocked to the law courts in about 6 seconds.
So whereabouts you live in the UK yourself. So why are you in the UK, not the Bahamas, if you've got your own little island?
Well, that's what I said to the girl. You know, we pop over there regularly, but I like to be. I live in a nice secluded place in Wales, so no one bothers me.
What? So you've got a secluded place in Wales that you live?
Yeah.
But the Bahamas. I mean, I know where I'd choose, mate. I'd rather be in the Bahamas than Wales.
Are you just getting there at the moment, mate? You can't just.
Well, you know.
You can't just get on a plane and fly to Bahamas at the moment.
Well, I mean, you can if you want.
No, they won't. They won't let me on the island.
Do you, mate? Live on a farm, don't you?
I do.
Yeah. I can't pronounce which farm it is, mate, but I know you live on a farm.
No, that's right. It's a big farm.
You know
What?
Ian, it's been nice chatting with you and that, mate. But out of respect for yourself, mate, I don't want to waste any more of my time, okay? So I'll leave you to it, okay? Have a nice day, though, okay?
You don't want to waste any more of my time. Oh right, okay.
No, my time.
Your time. No, it sounded like it's been a bit of a waste, didn't it? All right then, chap. Well, you carry on and live. You know your
That's money for me.
yeah
I will, mate.
your mundane life.
So, okay?
Yeah. Bye.
See you later, mate. See you later.
Oh, I won't see you later. I should be off.
Will ya?
Yeah. Oh yes.
Off your pop then.
Ta-da then.
See you later.
16 minutes and 42 seconds. Time wasted. Right, I shall go back to watching telly.